Well, hello there, friends. Today I'm making a Greek sauce, Tzatziki. I love it when I go to a Greek restaurant. You must be wondering, what does the French-Italian chef knows about Greek food? You'll be surprised. My Tzatziki sauce is amazing. I want to show you how to make it. Remember, friends, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell. I'm glad you're here. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay, friends, well, the first thing to do is we're going to prepare the cucumbers. And when I do it, I cut the ends off. I use a whole cucumber. You know, when I make that sauce, I make a lot. Well, what's the sense of making a little bit? Because it's delicious. So you peel the cucumber first. Don't forget to peel them. It's really important. No secret here, peeling a cucumber, right? And then we're going to cut it in half. And if there is some important, a big presence, I mean, I don't have to really peel. I don't mind if there's a little bit of the skin left, a little bit, right? But you definitely have to peel it. I forgot what I was going to say, but I guess it's okay. Oh, yeah. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut it in half, right? And just cut it in half this way and then cut it in half the other way. Really make sure we got some good halves here, right? And if there's too much seed, I'm going to remove the seeds, okay? Because now, you can leave them if you want, you know. You can leave them if you want. It's your cucumber. But when there's too much seeds like that, I remove them. There's a lot of water in there. You see, friends? A lot of water in there. We don't need that water right there. We really don't, okay? And then I'm also going to strain the yogurt. I'm using a Greek yogurt. And let me tell you something. This is as good as you're going to get in any Greek restaurant. Now, I have a few friends of mine that are Greek chefs. I know they're watching. If I don't do it the right way, they're going to let me have it next time I go to their restaurant. But they're going to be proud. They know I do a good job. This is going to be delicious. All right, friends. Then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to grate them. Use a vegetable grater with the big holes, you know. Be careful, otherwise you'll grate your fingers too. And I tell you what I'm going to do. I don't want to make the video too long and grate them all, but I tell you what I'm going to do though. I'm going to grate them, right? I'm going to do that for the 4 pieces, and then what I do, friends, I take them, but I'm going to strain her like this. Make sure also, friends, let me move out of the way. Make sure your strainer, friends, is stainless steel and not aluminum. This is aluminum color. You see aluminum? They're like silver, stainless steel. You see the different color? Now, brand new aluminum almost looks like that, but you wash it a couple of times, then it becomes dull, color of silver. You don't want to do that, because you put your vegetables, you put your yogurt, whatever you put in aluminum, it'll turn black on you. So you take your yogurt also, and I'm going to use a whole 24 ounce. When I make it, I make a lot of it. And right now, it doesn't look like there's any water in there, right? You said, oh, I don't need to drain. There's no water in there. We'll come back in a couple of hours, and we'll talk, and you'll see what happened, my friends. All right, we're going to leave them like this, just like this. This right there, I'm going to take a healthy teaspoon of salt. I'm going to put it a little bit on top now because I'll finish it in a minute when I put the rest of it, right? I'm going to put it in there, and you'll see how much water comes out of there, too. All right, my friends, I'm going to do all that. When I come back, this will have drained, and we'll make the whole sauce together. So I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, I just want to show you what I did. Okay, friends, well, look. Check it out. Check out how much water came out of the yogurt. Just leave it there like this. Look at it, didn't do nothing. Couple of hours, it's amazing. What about the cucumber? You know what I do? I put a little ball underneath when it's like that. Otherwise, the strainer is going to touch the bottom. So if it's too much coming out, right? You put a little ball down the zucchini, mamma mia. The cucumber is not that bad, you see? So it was not touching the bottom. But you can squeeze it like this too. You'd be amazed, right? Oh, you know what you can do also? You got a potato right, sir? Look at this. You got a potato ricer. You take it, your cucumber, put them in a potato ricer. Or you take a cheesecloth or a muslin fabric. Take a bath towel. Squeeze the water out of it. I promise you, friends, it tastes better if you get rid of all the water. You got a better texture. Remember, the texture is a conductor of flavor. It's very important. I don't want something. Look. Look at this. Look at this water, friends. Isn't that amazing? If you have a potato rice, that'll make it easy. Okay? Oh, mamma mia. Look at this water. Whew, I'm going to get a hernia. I got to be careful. Hey, the people are here for the first time and say, these guys are nuts. Here we go, my friend. We're going to take it out of there, the water, and we're going to get a new bowl where we are putting a cucumber waterless cucumbers. We're in Florida. I hear a rain shower. Sometimes it's beautiful, right? Beautiful sunshine, and all of a sudden, the rain pours like a hurricane. And then a few minutes later, you go to the beach. All right, so we get rid of all this. It's a very simple sauce to make, friends. Tzatziki. Take your strained yogurt, right there. Take all this stuff out of the way. So now we're going to flavor it, okay? How much garlic you put in, it's really up to you. For 24 ounces, I like to put a good, a little tablespoon of garlic. You can put more, you can put less. It's really up to you. It always is. Dill, I got about 2 teaspoons of fresh dill chopped very fine. I'm also going to put 2 teaspoons, that look like 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. Gotta put a little bit of acidity in there, friends. We're gonna put another, not that much, another teaspoon of salt. Because remember, we already put the salt in the cucumber. Fresh pepper. Another little bit of acidity, friends, very little. A good white wine vinegar, or if you have a white balsamic vinegar. Oh, very little, okay? Talking about 2 teaspoons at the most. A little bit of acidity. We don't want to put too much liquid. And a couple of tablespoons of beautiful olive oil. And I have this beautiful garlic olive oil. And then one more thing that I'm going to do. Look how beautiful it is, friend. You watch. See, I see people putting a very little cucumber. You got to put at least a whole cucumber in there. And you know what I see also? What I like in there, my friends, is the put a little bit of lemon zest. The lemon zest is going to wake up all the ingredients. Remember, friends, most of you know exactly how to use a microplane grater now. You know what I find interesting is I introduced this method since I started YouTube 3 years ago. And I started doing this with teaching people how to use it correctly. And now I see so many YouTubers that use it the right way. We have good influence on them. That's wonderful. All right? Look, guys. Look. See? Remember, you put the tool on top of the lemon, not the lemon on top of the tool like so many ding-dongs out there. And look. See, it's all there. It's pretty cool, isn't it? The tool is designed to do this. You play like a violin. You play your lemon like a violin. And look. Boom. So now, some people may not like as much lemon in there. Tzatziki. I like it. It's really a matter of opinion, friends. And voila. You adjust your salt and pepper. You see if you like it. Now, remember, it's better in 2 hours from now. I promise you. All the flavors are going to marry much better in 2 hours from now. So make sure you make it in advance. And then, delicious. Could use a little more salt. Could use a little more pepper. That's really, oh, you know, also, I've made it also. This is a traditional way of making it. Now, I'm sure some of my Greek chefs are gonna say you forgot this, you didn't do this. But look, that's the way I make it. You can also add a little bit of heat in there too. The harissa. I'm not gonna do it, otherwise I know what's gonna happen. We're gonna have a revolution. A little bit of harissa in here. This is my favorite brand. I buy it at Whole Foods. It's fabulous. All right, my friends, put a little harissa in there. You wake it up even more. I'm gonna test it to make sure it's got enough salt and pepper, and that was it. That was simple. We're gonna make some video in this. We're gonna use it. It's perfect. My friends, that thumbs up. That means you gotta give me a thumbs up. Remember, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and thumbs up. I guess that's it, right? I haven't forgot one of them. Sometimes I forget something. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys soon. Wow, it's delicious. But you know what, Jack? It'll be better in 2 hours from now. So we're gonna make some zucchini cake, and we'll eat it with the zucchini cake. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be absolutely. But look at the mess I made again. I got mess everywhere. So in 2 hours we'll make the zucchini pancake, and we can eat it with that. That'll be delicious.